Alrighty guys, so today I'm just going to show you how to take your T-top, I guess you would call them, on your hardtops for the JK and then the JL. So we'll start with the JL and then I'll show you guys how to do it on the JK. Alright, so first we're just going to take the little visor out of the way here. And then what you want to do is, on the JL, it's just really simple. You just turn all these latches. And so just undo all the latches here. And then once those are done, then you can go over to this guy here. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to unlatch it like that. And then the easiest way to do this, alright, so the easiest way to do it is to lift up like this and stick your hand in and just lift it out. So that's pretty much the easiest way to do it. And then just do that to the other side as well. Alright, so the JK is a little bit more difficult than the JL. Still pretty relatively simple. So if you come on in here. Alright, so you have to unscrew these guys. So just screw them out, and they're pretty long. So you're gonna have to just, you know, do it for a decent amount of time just to get them out. And then we'll do this one too. This one was put in incorrectly. Make sure when you put these back, you do it right so you don't strip them. But you can see they're pretty long. So now that we got everything unlatched here, just lift up, stick your hand in there, just pull it off, just like that. Alrighty guys, so that's just the proper way to take your T-tops off your hardtop. Definitely be careful with the tops that you don't set them on top of each other, because they will scratch and then your top will look like crap. So, but anyway guys, I hope the video helped. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.